This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 24. In this lesson, we're going to look at the difference between multiples and factors of a number. The first question asks us to list the numbers that have 24 as a multiple. What that means is, what numbers can I multiply by other numbers and get 24 as a product? I like to put my answers down in pairs of numbers. For example, I know that I can take 1 times 24 to get 24 as a product. So 1 and 24 both have 24 as a multiple. Meaning if I skip counted by 1s or skip counted by 24, I would say the number 24. Moving on, I also know that I can take 2 times 12 and get 24. So 24 is a multiple of 2, and 24 is also a multiple of 12. When I skip count by 2, I would say 24. When I skip count by 12, I would also say 24. 3 times 8 also gives me 24. So 3 and 8 both have 24 as a multiple. 4 times 6 gives me 24 as a product. So 4 and 6 both have 24 as a multiple. Now since I've worked my way to the middle here, the only number I have left to try or to test is 5. I cannot take 5 times anything to get 24 as a product, so this is my complete list of numbers that have 24 as a multiple. And again, by working in pairs, I can narrow down my numbers and eliminate the numbers in between. In the next section, I'm asked if certain numbers are multiples or factors of other numbers. First question asks, is 12 a multiple of 4? I ask myself, when I skip count by 4s, do I say 12? Yes, because 4 times 3 is 12, then 12 is considered a multiple of 4. Is 4 a factor of 12? A factor is a number that you can multiply by another number to get a certain product. Since I can take 4 times 3 and get 12 for a product, then yes, 4 is a factor of 12. Is 42 a multiple of 8? If I skip count by 8, I know I will not hit 42. I will hit 40 because that's 8 times 5, and I will hit 48 because that's 8 times 6. So I will not say 42. No, 42 is not a multiple of 8. Likewise, I cannot take 8 times another number to get 42 as an answer, so 8 is not a factor of 42. Here I have 84, and it's asking if 84 is a multiple of 6. That's a pretty high number. I'm going to break my 84 apart into numbers that I know are multiples of 6. I know that 60 is a multiple of 6 because 6 times 10 is 60, and that would leave 24. Now I have to ask myself, is 24 a multiple of 6? Yes. 4 times 6 is 24. So since both partial numbers are multiples of 6, then the entire number is also a multiple of 6. So yes, 84 is a multiple of 6. Is 6 a factor of 84? Yes, if 84 is a multiple of 6, then that means 6 has to be a factor. Yes, 6 is a factor of 84. If we wanted to know what we multiply times 6 to get 84, we can look back at our number bond. 60 would be 6 times 10. 24 would be 6 times 4. That means that 6 times 14. That proves that 6 is a factor of 84.